How to turn off video notifications on YouTube. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see how you can turn off video notifications on YouTube. If you are facing any kind of issues or you have subscribed someone's channel and you don't no longer want any kind of notifications from that single channel or any notification, so you can do this. So before starting the video, like the video, subscribe the channel, and let's get started the video. Just go to the YouTube. If you haven't updated it, just update it to the latest version. After that, just click on this channel icon and then go to the setting. After that, you just need to scroll down and you will see an option called notifications. Click here, and after that you will see an option called subscription. Notify me about activity from the channel I am subscribed to. Just you need to press it off and you will not be able to see any notification. In my case, I don't want to turn it off. It is just for I want to tell you how you can do this. So this is why I have done this, but I will not suggest you to do this. I will suggest you to see all your subscription and you can unsubscribe any one channel that you want. I will tell you that in the next video. For that, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We'll meet in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.